Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM E2. It has a ProtoTRAK SMX control. Machine was new in 2005, serial number 051CR13271. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 9x49 table, ball screws on the X, Y, and the Z. You see he's moving the X and the Y. And now both axes sound good, and that's the Z up and down. So when you move the Z, it obviously changes the count there, but then when you move the quill, it also changes your position of the Z, which is nice, does the math for you. The machine has a R8 spindle, variable speed, it's got a power drawbar. We're running right now in the high range?
That's low range.
Low range, okay. Brake. And that's the high range. Machine sounds good. You do the drawbar a little bit. All right. Could you pull up the wave cover, just show that really fast if you can. You've got nice waves that are hardened in ground. The machine has the splash guard. You have, all right. I think that's about it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.